Today we'll be making a delicious garlic hummus dip. Herbs and spices used in everyday cooking can offer endless possibilities while adding rich, deep flavors and aromas without relying on basic additions like sugar, fat, and salt. Incorporating herbs and spices into your cooking can be an easy way to provide and enhance flavors and allows you to be creative in the kitchen. Check out this tasty recipe. Place chickpeas, water, lemon juice, dried minced garlic, cumin, salt, crushed red pepper, and olive oil in a food processor. Process until smooth, scraping down the sides as necessary. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. To serve, drizzle the hummus with olive oil and garnish with chopped green onions, chopped olives, or chopped tomatoes. Serve with warm pita wedges or fresh vegetables. Try experimenting with different herbs and spices to shake up your meals and add a ton of flavor.